Here's a campfire dessert that's not s'mores that will be loved by both kids and adults on your next camping trip. It starts with refrigerated canned biscuits. Grab the home-style version, not the ones with layers, and cut each biscuit into 9 pieces. Put them in a large bowl or a plastic bag and set aside. Next up, we're going to mix up the cinnamon sugar mix. Combine 3/4 of a cup of sugar with a tablespoon of cinnamon and mix that together well. Then we're going to dump that into the bag or in your bowl of biscuits and shake it all up to coat the biscuits with the cinnamon sugar mix. Take 4 tablespoons of butter and cut them into small pieces. Be sure to use cold butter that comes right out of your cooler so you're able to cut it in this step. We're going to make 6 monkey bread packets, double wrapped, so you're going to need 12 pieces of aluminum foil. I would highly recommend using heavy-duty aluminum foil whenever you're cooking over the campfire. I find that it withstands the high temperatures of a campfire much better than regular aluminum foil. Plus, it seems to help the food not take on a smoky or a campfire taste. Spray that aluminum foil with cooking spray and then add about 12 biscuits to each piece of foil. Top with 1/6 of the butter and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in each pack. And then we're going to double wrap each one. Cook over an elevated campfire for about 10 minutes per side. You're gonna have to check it just to make sure because campfire temps vary greatly. You can see why those 2 layers are so important. Without them, you'll have butter and sugar that leaks out and it's gonna cause burning on the outside and the inside. Okay, so maybe I got a little too excited here, but they smell so good, they taste so good, and they're so easy to make. You should definitely try them on your next trip and let me know how it goes. And while you're at it, I think you should try out this other equally delicious yet slightly healthier campfire dessert.